and moon. Sunrise 6:18 a.m. Sunset 5:34 p.m. Moonrise 1:02 p.m. Moonset 10:28 p.m. Tithi lunar day. Saptami 7th day of the waxing moon until 10:10 a.m. followed by Ashtami 8th day. Significance: Saptami is considered auspicious for spiritual practices, health-related rituals, and seeking blessings for longevity. Ashtami, known for its association with Goddess Durga, is ideal for undertaking courageous endeavors. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Purvashadha Nakshatra until 9 p.m. followed by Uttarashadha Nakshatra. Purvashadha, a nakshatra that favors education, creativity, and overcoming obstacles in legal matters. Uttarashadha, known for achievements, discipline, and long-term success, making it a good time for strategic decisions. Yoga. Preeti Yoga until 5:34 p.m. followed by Ayushman Yoga. Preeti Yoga promotes joy, harmony, and favorable social interactions. Ayushman Yoga favors long life, good health, and vitality, making it a good time for healing activities and well-being practices. Karana. Kolva Karana until 10:10 a.m. followed by Tatila Karana until 9:51 p.m. and then Garja Karana. Kolva ideal for partnerships and team efforts. Tatila suitable for building a strong foundation and initiating long-term projects. Garja favorable for activities requiring focus, cooperation, and teamwork. Paksh, Shukla Paksh, waxing phase, the bright fortnight, a time of growth, energy, and the development of new ideas and projects. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat 1946, Krodhi. Vikram Samvat 2081, Pingala. Gujarati Samvat 2080, Rakshasa. Auspicious timings: Shubh Muhurt, Abhijit Muhurt, 11:36 a.m. to 12:22 p.m. A very favorable time for starting new projects and making important decisions. Amrit Kalam, 9:28 p.m. to 11:03 p.m. Another excellent time for initiating significant tasks, ensuring success and prosperity. Inauspicious timings: Dur Muhurtam. Rahu Kalam, 12:07 p.m. to 1:37 p.m. Avoid important activities during this period as it is considered inauspicious. Yamaganda, 7:48 a.m. to 9:18 a.m. Not favorable for starting new ventures or making critical decisions. Gulikai Kalam, 10:48 a.m. to 12:07 p.m. Another period to avoid significant activities. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya in Virgo, Kanya. Moon, Chandra in Sagittarius, Dhanu, in Purvashadha Nakshatra, transitioning to Uttarashadha. Mars, Mangal in Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha in Virgo, Kanya. Jupiter, Guru in Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra in Leo, Sinha. Saturn, Shani in Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu in Pisces, Meena. Ketu in Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Ayana, Dakshinayana, southern journey of the sun. Planetary influences: with the moon in Sagittarius, this day emphasizes optimism, growth, and expanding horizons. The sun in Virgo encourages discipline, practicality, and attention to detail. Mars in Taurus adds stability and patience to one's actions. Special notes: Saptami Tithi is traditionally associated with health and longevity rituals. The presence of Purvashadha Nakshatra makes this day favorable for success in education and legal matters. Uttarashadha Nakshatra later in the day supports strategic initiatives and long-term achievements. Chandra Rashi, Moon sign, Sagittarius, Dhanu encourages optimism, learning, and spiritual growth. This is a favorable period for education and intellectual pursuits. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. North, avoid traveling northward on this day for auspicious outcomes. Ritu, season, Varsha Ritu, monsoon season symbolize fertility, growth and rejuvenation. Significance of the day. Wednesday, Budhwar ruled by Mercury. This day is ideal for activities requiring intellect, communication and business-related matters. It is a good day to focus on education, negotiations and financial planning. Purvashadha Nakshatra favors legal victories, educational endeavors and creative expressions. Uttarashadha Nakshatra encourages long-term planning, leadership and organizational skills, making it a good time for making strategic decisions. Good and bad yogas. Preeti Yoga promotes harmonious interactions and joy, ideal for social engagements and partnerships. Ayushman Yoga supports health, vitality and well-being, making it a good time for healing and fitness activities.